So we are talking all about compound words. Compound words are when two words together make one. Let me see if you can guess this one. You ready? I'm in the sky, I'm yellow, sun, right? And the next one, I can pick it off the ground and smell it, and it smells nice. It's a flower. Sun plus flower equals sunflower. You got it. So there are a couple different activities here. It depends how much time you have. The first one are two pictures together making a compound word. Miss Hake did the first one for you. Rainbow, rainbow. And then I put a picture of the new word. So you can figure these out. You might need some help, but that's the first one. The second one is a little bit more tricky. Air plus blank equals this picture. Well, what's this picture? It's an airplane. Out of the box, can you see what word is plane? Plane. There it is. So you're going to write plane here and then write them together. Airplane. So that's a little bit trickier. Here's one that's good to start with. It's two pictures blended together. We've got meat and a ball. What do you get when you put meat and a ball together? Meatball. That's right. And the next one is a little bit more difficult, but I know you can do it. It says, circle the correct end word to make the compound word. So, sun, ball, sunflower, or sun, fly. Which one might it be? Did you say flower? You're going to circle the flower. And it's really up to you if you want to try and print the word sunflower underneath. So let's do one more. Male fish, male brush, mailbox. Did you hear it? Mailbox. You got it. These are all fun little activities you can do with your compound words. All right, have lots of time. Maybe you have time for them all. Maybe you only have time for one, but still, it will be fun. See you soon. Bye.